Hey guys, so I'm going to record you another quick tutorial on how to get Game Pass for $1. It's every 14 days. You can repeat this as many times as you want on Xbox, a PC, or even your cell phone. Basically, I'm going to walk you through it on a computer. Again, you could do this on an Xbox or a cell phone. If you're doing it on an Xbox or a cell phone, obviously use the browser. You can do this through an Xbox, just like natively, but some people have reported that it'll block their card after some time. I actually ran into this today where it gave me something went wrong on my console, so I'm going to show you how to do it on a browser to circumvent that. And if you're in another region, you could even use a VPN to do this, and then again, just use a browser and follow all these steps and you should be good. So essentially, you're going to log in, and you're going to click Game Pass in the top corner there. Right under my camera, there's a button that says Game Pass for $1. So as you can see, we get to this screen. PC, console, whatever. So we're going to click the button that says both, just to make sure we get the right one. See, it's $1, 14 days. So we're going to click Join. Now, I've already created a brand new account before making this video, so you're going to want to create a new email before doing any of this. So you create a new email, you sign into the account, and as you can see, I'm adding a payment method to the new account. This is the same payment method that I use on my main account, and it doesn't necessarily matter that you've used it before, it just needs to be a new account. You cannot use the same account twice to do this. Okay, so there we go. $1 for 2 weeks. We're going to continue. It's going to work. All right, perfect. And now we have Game Pass Ultimate. You could do that on a PC to play on the PC. Now, I'm jumping over to the Xbox here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to recover that account. So I'm going to type in the email that I just made for that brand new account that I just bought Game Pass on. Once I'm logged into the account, it's going to ask me a bunch of questions. One of those questions is, do you want to make it your home Xbox? You must click yes. This is if you're using it on console. On PC, I don't believe you'll have to do that, but you will have to play on the account in order to use Game Pass, at least on a PC or a cell phone. For a console, essentially all you have to do is get an account with a subscription, which we just did, and make it your home Xbox. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's going to ask me some questions. I'm going to keep clicking next. Alright, skip the controller thing, make home Xbox. It's very important. Color doesn't matter. We're going to skip that. Alright, perfect. So give me this stupid screen, so I'll exit that. Now we're going to go to our settings. I'm going to go to subscriptions. And the first step here to make sure you don't get charged again is turn off recurring billing. It won't let you remove your payment method without doing this first. We're going to turn off recurring billing. Yes. Alright. Now we're going to back out. Go over to payment and billing. Payment options. Click whatever payment method you added there. The button below it. Trash can. Click confirm. Good to go. Alright, perfect. Now, you can sign out this account. I would recommend keeping it on the console. You don't have to keep it signed in to play, which I'll showcase here. Xbox sending me a lovely message that I'm 0% of the way. Nice. So, I'm going to sign out that account. I've also got another account signed in. I'll sign that one out too. And as you can see, I'm on my main now. I'm going to jump over to Game Pass. I'm going to intentionally open a game that I do not own, but is on Game Pass. See the Game Pass logo here, and there you go. Now we got Game Pass. That's it, guys. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.